What's up guys, it's Tanner here, and today I'm going to be installing the front lip on the 2019 Honda Civic.
Whistle.
Alright, so what you're going to want to do is grab some tape and just around like certain points, wherever you think you'll need it, put tape so that when you're going to put the tape up, it just holds it while you're working on it, so you can drill your holes and then put everything you need.
Whistle.
That's good. Alright. Alright. So I taped all the signs, and at first look, at glance, it's pretty good. I just need to take this side out more. But now I kind of have an idea of where I want to drill each hole. So I'm just going to go ahead and go under, and with my drill,
Whistle. Whistle.
alright, so here's the front lip. I'm all done. It's installed. It looks nice, and I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, like, and see you guys on the next one.